Hi, my name is Cameron from Frontier Precision, and today I'll be going over how to access and assign Trimble subscriptions in the Trimble License Manager portal. To begin, it is important to note the admin email for your Trimble subscriptions. When purchasing a license from your sales representative, your admin email will be listed on the quote or sales order shown here. This will be the email where all licenses or subscriptions will be managed from. Once purchased, your license may take 1 to 2 days to process. Once processed, you will receive an email notification from Trimble stating your licenses are ready to be activated. Click the Visit Trimble License Manager button shown in the email here. This will navigate you to the Trimble License Manager webpage. If you have already created a Trimble ID, you may simply sign in with your Trimble ID credentials. If you have not yet created a Trimble ID, we will begin by clicking the Create Trimble ID link shown here. Choose the region of the world you are located in, then click Next. Fill out the form as necessary. Note that any user you are wishing to assign a license or subscription to will also need to follow these steps and create a Trimble ID before utilizing their assigned licenses. Once you have completed creating your Trimble ID, you'll be prompted to set up your two-factor MFA requirements. You may skip this for now, however, this will be a requirement shortly after creating your ID. Now that we have successfully signed in with our Trimble ID under our admin email, we will note the licenses and subscriptions that we have purchased. Add a new user to your portal, click the Users tab on the left-hand side of the screen, then click Create User. Input the user's first and last name, as well as the email that will be associated with their Trimble ID. If you would like a user to have administrative access, such as assigning or removing licenses from other users, you may click Grant Administration Actions checkbox shown here. If not, you may leave this box unchecked. Once we have added the user to our portal, click the Licenses tab at the top left of the screen. Click on the license or subscription you wish to assign. You will then see a drop-down list of all users that have been added into your portal. From here, you can now search for the user's name to narrow your list. Once you are ready to assign user, click Accept. Once you have assigned the license to your user, they will receive an email notifying that they now have access to this service. If we wish to remove a user from a license, simply click the X next to their name. For users who have been assigned administrative access and wish to utilize the same features as the admin email, they may initially log into the License Manager portal with their Trimble credentials. However, you will note that no licenses initially appear in their Licenses tab. In order to access these licenses, click the Switch Accounts button at the bottom left of the screen and switch to Admin Account. The user will then be able to proxy as the admin and add users, assign, or unassigned licenses. This concludes our tutorial for Trimble subscriptions in the License Manager portal.